Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I am back with my Craftreat design team package share. So this is my second package I received from Craftreat as a design team package, and let me show you what I have received. So I'll jump right into it and show you all, starting with the biggest thing, which is the pattern paper. Sorry, this plastic may stick with each other because I sanitized everything. So I asked Priya for this Ethnic India paper, pattern papers, because I am loving this, and this would be best to use in traditional projects like in Diwali or yeah, basically in Diwali. So yeah, I have asked for this, and let me show you all the patterns inside. It's so beautiful. Just look, you guys, this tiny diyas and the colors. Wow, the texture in the background, it's kind of a blurry effect here, and the image here. Wow, I'm just loving it. Oh my god, this chandelier, and then this elephants. This is basic traditional color, green and orange, kind of a red. Wow, this seems like a rangoli to me. I am a big fan of rangoli, and I used to do rangoli back home when I was in India, and I love it. And this seems to be a rangoli for me. Actually, I can do that this year, because I have a reference. So it's kind of it's not 3D, but when you look at that, it seems to be a 3D image to me. I don't know if you guys can see that same thing. Wow, I think there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, 12 design, 24 papers. And even the quality is super awesome. It's kind of, when you crease it or when you score it and fold it, it doesn't break. Wow, look at this image. If you can just cut out this part and paste it on the cover of the book or something, it makes it traditional. Yeah, and then this starts the same again. So yeah, that's our pattern papers. Oh, and there is, oops, this pre-cut element. It's just kind of, you just break it from here and it will be in your hand. Happy Diwali, Shubh Labh, Happy Holi, Om Shri, Happy Wedding Celebrations, and all this tiny clip arts. It's kind of a appropriate size to put in an A2 size card, envelopes, shagun envelopes, or kind of I'm planning to make a personal diary for me, where I can just note down all the orders and everything, and I can just paste this one of the image on front cover. So yeah, so I am loving it. Let's go to the next one. Next is this pearl metallic cardstock, and I hope you can see the shine here. It's kind of cloudy day here today, and I can't wait to get this recorded because I wanted to use it. So sorry about that, but I can't do anything about Canadian weather. It's just a September, and we have a single-digit temperature, so it's kind of hard, and it's always cloudy these days. So yeah, back to the cardstock. I hope you can see the shine in here. So that's So yeah, all these are pearl metallic color cardstock. Next I'm showing the decoupage sheet. This time it's kind of a male theme, and I'm loving this, as we don't get much male themed colors or papers or any decorative elements, and this kind of decoupage sheets like in male theme, it's kind of handy. Next, coming up with all the stencils I received, and all are Christmas themed. This says only days until Christmas. You can use this as advent calendar, or you can use this as when you're sending a gift to them and when you want them to open it on a particular day. Or you can use this as a Christmas themed welcome kind of a project. When somebody is entering to your house, they see this like only one day until Christmas. You know, Christmas Eve people get together for dinner, and so it's kind of used in like many different ways. So it says only blank days until Christmas. Next is this border. It's kind of snowflakes, different pattern, but it's kind of winter themed, so it says winter borders. Please don't mind my nail. I actually did not have patience to wait until my nail polish gets dry, so. But yeah, it's that. Next is reindeer. Look how cute is this. I am so loving it. So I have a I already have a pattern into my mind to make something out of it. I'll show you at last. I'll keep it here. Silent Night, Christmas lights, and crazy love for Jesus Christ. This is Christmas lights. So that's that. Next is Merry Christmas Santa Claus. It's kind of its head, beard, and it says Merry Christmas. I'm loving this. It's kind of a cute stencil, and it's perfect size. Oh, I forgot to show you this. So that's that. Next is this new released Let It Snow border kind of a stencil, and it's quite big. Let me show you the size. I think probably it's 12-inch. So yeah. It says Let It Snow. And this is Merry Christmas. I love this fonts. And there's bells, reindeers, and Santa sleigh. So the idea I had in mind is we can make a wooden sign or something, kind of that, like Merry Christmas here, and this reindeer on top of this. So it's kind of like this. And I'm loving this. Like, I can visually imagine how it will look, and I'm totally loving it. So yeah, these are my stencils. Next is this 2 sequins I received. So this can be used in winter themed like snow projects, because it's kind of snowy blue and there is some glitter in it. I hope you can see. And this can be used in traditional Christmas themed projects because it's like red and green in here. And I love sequins. So these are the 2 sequins I received. And lastly, I received this shaker chiplets and this chiplet, Christmas themed chiplet. I'm loving this Christmas, this reindeers, and like can be used in many ways, as you all know. So this one, and I received, wow, this all, I hope I am in the camera focus. These are shaker chiplets. So basically, let me show you how it is. This is the first layer. Let me take out this, it's easier for me. So this is the base. This is 2 layers to make it more pop up, so that whatever shaker elements or sequins we put in can freely move or flow. This is the shaped cut acetate, and this is the top part of this ornament. So this is how you're gonna use it, and I am loving it. This is something new for me, and I cannot wait to use this in my projects. So I received this angel bell ornament, another ornament, Christmas tree, and a tree star, kind of a snowflake star. So these are my package goodies I received from Craftreat. I hope you liked everything. Please check out their website for all the beautiful products, and please don't forget to give thumbs up to the video, and all the product links will be in the description box for you to purchase it directly from their website. And I'll come up with beautiful projects soon. Bye for now.